Everyone. So a couple of weeks ago, I hosted a self-love workshop and I posed the question of, or the statement of, you are love. I wanted everyone to know what that felt like inside or understand that within themselves when I said, you are love. And I have to remember that to say you are love and for someone to actually understand that and internalize that is kind of a big stretch because we haven't been taught that at the very core of who we are, that we are love. And that's when we come here in this physical realm, this physical body, and we are definitely a spiritual being having a physical experience. And to understand that, because we're so fixated on this physical world and that this is the only thing that is real, but really there is so much going on around us in our frequency, in our energy. So to grasp that understanding of you are love and believing it and embodying that, it can be very difficult. And that's what this journey is all about. It's a remembering, an understanding of who we are, truly who we are. Because once you go past or beyond this ego, and ego can be different ends of the spectrum where you are arrogant or where you don't feel like you're enough. That is ego. But when we can sit with ourselves and go within and understand ourselves and internalize that we are love, then we can push aside those ego notions and sit with ourselves in that beautiful knowing of our loving selves. So take the time to sit with yourself with that statement of you are love. Really bring that within your heart, repeating it over and over, and see what comes up for you. And if there's any ego that arises or any derogatory comments from your internal dialogue, anything like that, take a moment to stop and observe and understand why those derogatory comments are there. Why is it there? And why can't you be love? Why can't you be from that very core? Why can't you be love? Because you are that. So when we begin to understand ourselves, when we understand what the ego is saying and that we can move beyond that we can kind of ignore that or put that aside or quieten down that ego voice and get into our center, get into our highest self. And then that's where the journey becomes so much clearer and so much better and much more loving. So take the time for that and remember you are love. See you next time.